Hey y'all, what's up? What's happening? What's poppin'? It's your girl Desia. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I'll be showing you guys how I apply my false lashes. So you guys want to see just how I apply my lashes, just keep on watching. We're up close and personal here. So there are different lash companies that I do use. So the first one I use is Daii. I will have her Instagram down below, as well as the website that you can purchase these from. I won't be using these ones today. I'll be using these Daii ones just because this is beginner friendly eyelash tutorial. So I just wanted to show you guys just a thinner eyelash band. And then I also use Millionaire Minx lashes. I'll have her Instagram and the website down below as well, but these are what these ones look like. And so what you would need is your eyelashes. I like to use this adhesive, and y'all don't mind my nails, I need to get them redone, but I use this adhesive. It is from Kiss and it's the strip lash adhesive, and this is in the color black, and it does have aloe vera in it. I don't use eyeliner, so I like to use a black lash glue. And then tweezers, but there's a lot of people that don't use tweezers, they just use their hands. I cannot do that. I just feel like I'm going to poke myself every time, so tweezers would be your best friend. So yeah, so let's get started. So you want to take your lashes, and then this one is the left eyelash. So you'll see that it is the left eyelash because the inner part is shorter than the outer part. You guys see that? So you want to measure them to your eye to see if it fits your eye, and if it doesn't, you want to cut it. You always want to cut it from the outside in, because if you cut it from the inside out, it doesn't give your eyelash like that perfect eyelash effect. So what I would do now is just take my eyelash, and then I'll take my eyelash glue and just apply like a thin layer. So then you want to let it dry and get a little tacky before you apply it. So I let it dry for about 15 to 20 seconds before I apply it. Sorry, and so you want to apply it like right at your eyelash line. So you see where my lash line is, so you want to put it on your lash line, okay? Okay, so once your lash is dried, you want to place it right in the middle of your eye. Then you want to work your way from the inside out. So you want to take your tweezers, pick up the inside, lift it up over your lashes, and place it on your lash line like that. You see that? And you want to take the same for your outside. You see how the outside is lifted? So do the same. I'm going to take it, lift it, and apply it. Just like that. And you guys see that? Like, I did get a little glue on my lid, but that's fine because once it dries, we can take it off. And then just to make sure that it's not like sticking out and it's sticking to my lash line, I just turn my head, and like on the outside you can see if it's like sticking up or not. So with my nail here, you can see like right there that it's sticking out a little. So you just want to take your tweezers and push that in. Okay, and then you see it's not sticking out anymore because I push it into my lash line. So then what you want to do is, this is the only time I take my fingers, is I just take my fingers and I just push it, help push it in more. Okay, and then you guys will have something like this. And then once it's dry, I'll just take my tweezers and pull. And then I will just scrape off that extra glue. And then voila, you have an eyelash. So then I'll just show you guys again just how I do my other lash. And you want to take your glue and just apply a thin layer. To the middle, like that. And you want to just take the inside and place it. You want to take the outside and then again turn just to see if it is sticking out. This one, not so much, but still you just want to take it and push it in and then scrape the extra off. Okay, and then again, you just want to take your fingers and I push, pinch, and push. Okay, and then once you do that, then you guys are done. Okay, y'all, so that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and learned something new. Definitely practice, 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 okay? But I want to hear from you guys, so make sure you guys comment down below. I want to know what kind of eyelashes you guys use, the brand of glue you guys use, tips and tricks that you guys use that I may like and may try out for myself. So make sure you guys comment all of that down in the description box. Give it a thumbs up, share this video, and most definitely subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.